Hi, I'm Katie from Barn2 and I'm going to introduce you to the WooCommerce Bulk Variations plugin and tell you how it works. WooCommerce Bulk Variations provides a new way for you to display and for your customers to buy variations. It makes it much quicker for them to choose what variations they want and add them to their cart. So this is an example of the grid of variations which is created by WooCommerce Bulk Variations. I'm also going to show you what it looks like by default if you do not have this plugin. By default, WooCommerce displays variations as drop-down lists like this, so that whenever you buy a variation, you have to choose each attribute and then add them to the cart. And now you can imagine that if your customers were buying in bulk, for example, a wholesale store, it would take them ages to choose all the variations that they require. Instead, you can use WooCommerce Bulk Variations to create a quick order form where they can choose all the variations they want. It updates the price at the bottom and then they can instantly add them to the cart. And you can also use the plugin to create a price matrix like this one. This is the exact same t-shirt product we saw above, but with purchasing disabled, and I've also hidden the image column. So you can do all these different combinations as a way to display and allow quicker purchasing for your variations. Now let's look at how the plugin works behind the scenes. Here I've got the edit product screen of a variable product in WooCommerce. So you can see that I've got variable product selected here. You can create a bulk variations grid for any variable product which has two attributes or one or two attributes which are used for variations. So that means that you've got an attribute under the attributes tab here and you've clicked use for variations. So if you've got one or two of those, then you can display them in a grid using WooCommerce bulk variations. Once you set up your attributes, you need to create your variations just like you normally would in WooCommerce, and then a bulk variations tab will appear. This tab only appears once you have created variations with one or two of those attributes. So we go to the bulk variations tab and you can choose the options. You can also set these options globally on the plugin settings page if you want to automatically enable it for all your variation products which have one or two attributes, or you can do it individually for products. So you can enable the variations grid, you can choose whether or not you want people to be able to buy the variations or just view the prices, as I showed you a minute ago. And you can choose which way up your attributes are listed. So you can choose which one is listed on the horizontal axis and which one is listed on the vertical axis. The plugin also has a shortcode which you can use to insert variations grids anywhere on your site. So you type bulk_variations into square brackets like this, and then you write the ID of the product that you want to include. So if you write include equals, and then within quotation marks, you write the ID. The shortcode also has various other parameters, such as whether or not to show the image column, whether to disable purchasing, and so on. And to get the product ID, just look at the URL of the edit product screen for that product, and that will tell you the ID. You'll find a number within the URL. So if you want a better way to display variations in bulk and make buying quicker for your customers, then get WooCommerce Bulk Variations from our website barn2.co.uk. It comes with full support, so do get in touch with us if you have any questions about how the plugin works or how to set it up after you've purchased. Thanks for watching.